First, enter your mobile number, tick the Terms and Conditions box, and click on Send OTP. This helps us securely create your financial health profile. Next, enter the OTP you received and click on Verify OTP. This step securely verifies your mobile number. After that, enter your personal details like your full name, email ID, and PAN number. Then click Submit. This helps us personalize your financial health analysis. Next, the payment page will open. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. For example, if you choose UPI, click on Pay using any UPI and select apps like PhonePe. Once the payment is completed securely, your report generation process begins. After successful payment, the screen will display Payment Successful. Now, securely connect your financial accounts using India's account aggregator system. Your data is fully encrypted and shared only with your consent. We never access your money, only the financial information required for analysis. Next, a Verify Your Mobile Number page will open. You'll receive a 6-digit OTP on your phone. Simply enter the OTP and click Confirm. After that, enter your PAN number and click on Discover Account. This step securely confirms account ownership and fetches your financial information. Now, the Discover Account sections will open one by one. First, you'll see the Mutual Funds section. Click Next at the bottom. Then, the Equity section will appear. Again, click Next. Finally, the Bank section will open. When you see Choose Bank Accounts, select your bank, for example, Axis Bank. Please don't skip this step. If your bank is not visible, simply use the search box to find it. And if you have multiple bank accounts, make sure to select all of them for a more complete and accurate financial health analysis. Once your bank account appears, select it and click on Discover Account. Our system will then securely organize your financial information automatically. Once your accounts are successfully linked, the Summary page will open. Here, you can review all the accounts selected for your financial health checkup. Next, tick the small I consent checkbox at the bottom. Below that, you'll see a swipe button. Simply slide the arrow to the right to complete the process. And within 12 hours, you'll receive your complete financial health report, including spending patterns, savings insights, investment analysis, risk detection, and personalized financial recommendations. Because understanding your financial health is the first step toward building a stronger financial future.